Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of our 2012 Range Rover Evoque Prestige model we have new in stock. This Range Rover Evoque is finished in Santorini black and has an amazing and unique specification coming on it. To start with some of the exterior features, the Prestige model inclusions get you the Atlas coloured trim inserts you can see being shown here around the exterior of the car. You also get body coloured mirror caps. You've got the optional privacy glass. You've got the multi-split spoke alloy wheels and the dual chrome tailpipes at the rear as well. Moving to the interior, you've got the optional Spirit interior design theme with the tan Oxford leather seating and the contrasting cream leather on the door cards and the cream coloured floor mats and carpet. You've got the full electric functions with the lumbar support available as part of the Prestige model inclusions. You've also got the memory settings available on the door card as an added optional feature for the driver. You've got the Meridian Sound system being shown here as well on the door cards. You've also got the optional electronic heated and folding door mirrors with the memory, which work with the seat memories as well. You've got the optional configurable ambient lighting, the optional rear view camera accessible through the centre screen, the power tailgate and the HD Premium navigation. You have your Oxford leather multi-function steering wheel, where you have access to cruise control. And then lastly, you can see the panoramic glass roof, which is another added optional feature. If you'd like any more information on this 2012 Range Rover Evoque Prestige, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.